Welcome back to Skills Exceed. In today's beginner-friendly Excel tutorial, we will learn how to use vlookup in same sheet and across different sheets, something called interworksheet vlookup. If you have ever wondered how to pull data from one dataset to another and from one sheet to another automatically, this video is perfect for you. Let's jump in. Practice sheet provided in the description so that you can download and practice side by side. Let's see what topics covered today. We will tell you what is vlookup in the same sheet, step-by-step formula explanation, real example with small dataset, what is interworksheet vlookup or vlookup in different sheets. Excel job interview question and answers are provided at the end so that you can study, and definitely we believe these question and answers will help you to clear the job interview questions. And at the end I will give you a bonus tip. Let's start. What is vlookup? vlookup helps you find a value in a table and return related information. Let's see how. Here we have a data set, and you can see that this data set contains employee ID, name, department, salary, location. Let's suppose you have to find salary information or department information for a single employee, and you have a large data set. What you will do? We will take the help of vlookup. Let's see how. Click on the cell where you want the value to appear. We will type the formula vlookup, and now you can see that this formula is showing you some structure below. The first structure is vlookup value. It is the value you want to search for. Let's suppose in our case is employee ID. Table array, the data set which I already explained in the start, which contains employee ID, department name, and the column index. It is the number of the column of information you want searched. Let's suppose in our scenario we will search for the salary. So the salary column is fourth in the data table or data set. So we will give a value as 4. The last is range lookup. If you want to find exact match, we will give false, and if you find approximate match, you can set it true. So let's see how. First we will give lookup value. Our lookup value lies in H5. Then we will give the table array. Select this table array, and you have noticed that as soon as I bring my cursor on the salary column, there is a number appearing, is 4C. So this is the column where we want our desired output. So bring it down, give the same column index there, 4, and you can see that it is giving you two options, false for exact match. Close the formula, and you see we have found the salary of our employee is 4200. So let's see if that is correct or wrong. So what we will do, we will go to check manually. This was our employee and his salary. So now it is confirmed that we are able to pull data from a table automatically based on provided value and using the vlookup. Now you can see that how this can be useful in other scenarios. Let's suppose I will change employee ID E105, and you can see that the output is changed. Alright, now let's see that how we can apply the same vlookup when we have data in another sheet and we want the output in different sheet. Here we want our output in the separate sheet while we will be using same data set in the previous sheet. Let's see how. Type vlookup, give lookup value, then come back to the sheet from where we will pull the data or our table array. We will repeat the same process. Column index 4, select, give column index as 4, false as we want exact match, press enter, and you can see that we have got the output is separate sheet. Our data was available in data set and our output is available in separate sheet. Let's suppose I am giving the different employee number and see there is an error because this employee number does not exist in our data table. Alright, now come for the bonus tip. Let's suppose I am giving an employee number which is not available in our data set and the formula gives you an error. How we can overcome this NA error? Just click on this formula, go to this formula bar, press if error and give it the value which you want to see in case if error happens. Here we will not give any value as we want our cell to be blank in case there is no match. So now you can see that there is no match for the formula and Excel is giving us blank. C106, where we have match it will give us the value, and where we don't have match it will give us a blank rather than giving us an error. And that's how you can use vlookup in same and different sheet in Excel. This trick is super useful when working with multiple sheets, especially for reports, summaries, and HR or sales dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumb up and subscribe to Skill Exceed. And let me know in the comments what topic you want in the next video.